There was 10 of us that went to Arizona and Vegas. We're here, all the team back together.
The purpose of the trip was to go and make an awesome film for Philips TVs.
We're here today to see the film the crew put together, and yeah, we get to watch it on the Ambilight, which I'm excited for because I've actually been looking at them since I've been home.
I can't wait to get going. I wish you'd stop talking to me and let's go watch it.
I don't think I've ever seen a shot of Vegas like that. It's breathtaking, isn't it? It blows you away.
This is just very colourful, and it's so sharp and so beautiful.
The stuff in the canyon, I think the dynamic range is just so big. There's another level of kind of technical quality to the film, I think.
You guys spent days talking about the famous fire scene, and you guys pulled it off. It looked really amazing in slow-mo.
When the horse is going through the soil, it's just the details, it's crazy.
How do you get a horse to hit a mark? I can't hit a mark, and I'm a human biped.
The images were brilliant, just beautiful.
See the final product, it was even like that next level of like sort of fidelity, and sort of the range was amazing.
Speechless. I think that's the best 90 seconds of film I've ever seen.
The blacks were really black and the lights were really light. The colours were amazing. I guess that's the HDR.
The lights around the background draw you into the picture. I was so immersed in what I was watching. It was unbelievable. I'm truly gobsmacked. I forgot how many experiences we had. You know, to me, I look back at it and go, that was a trip of a lifetime. But actually, we done moments of a lifetime within a trip of a lifetime.
It's quite emotional. When I walked into that canyon that first day, the preparation and spreadsheets, I was like, this makes it all worth it.
It's super punchy. I think it looks absolutely incredible on that display.
You always see it as in HD and 4K in your head, but you actually now can see it visually in front of you in 4K.
You see how it brings life, the elements like the motion, the contrast, all the elements of the P5. You guys have nailed that.
Today was the first time I actually got to see an Ambilight TV in the flesh, and I love it. I want one.
That quality of footage should be on the best, and I think that's what we just probably watched it on, to be honest.
You guys weren't lying when you advertised it as a trip of a lifetime, and I'm really grateful, and thank you for taking us.
My partner's looking at the TV now, so hopefully that gives me permission to get one when I get home.